Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, how does this AHMED valve look on here? The AHMED valve. So this is the picture of the AHMED valve. If you see anteriorly, so this is the another picture of AHMED valve. This AHMED valve is an artificial filtering shunt or seton. It is used only if the medical therapy and the laser trabeculectomy were failed. Then we can use this AHMED valve or artificial filtering shunts or setons.
thank you and thank you for watching.